Baby one. He's got a baby chimney log.
Okay, now you're going to add your heat shield too, okay?
Heat shields. We
With
have heat shields.
wooden.
Wooden heat shields.
All right, here we go, kids.
Okay, bring in the prop.
The prop. Look at that. There's like woodpeckers in that thing now.
That does not look stable.
Get the lever off, pull that thing.
Yeah, that thing is leaning.
Okay, pull it back out and get it down about 6 inches below. Pull it back out. 6 inches down, push it. Okay, there we go. How's it form that way?
You're too much. You're going that way too much.
Too much that way. Okay.
Keep that guy thing down as low as the other.
Oh, my cigarette.
Plumb where I'm looking.
That's going to east too much.
Take it down a little bit more. Pull it back down a little bit more. There we go. We'll get something coming out of that hole there in a minute.
Yeah.
That smoke starting to come through there.
Oh, yeah. Nothing coming on my legs, so we're doing all right. Give it a little bit of time.
Is that tall? Are they normally
Oh,
that tall?
that's a little one. That's a little baby. That's a baby tap.